In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer tokens between two Phantom Wallet accounts effortlessly. Whether you're new to Phantom Wallet or just looking to refresh your skills, this guide is here to make the process smooth and straightforward. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently send and receive tokens between your accounts. First, let's open up your browser and access the Phantom Wallet extension. If you're using a mobile device, you can open the Phantom Wallet app instead. Having both options ensures you can follow these steps no matter where you are. It's essential that you have two Phantom accounts set up beforehand, as we'll be transferring tokens from one to the other. This setup allows for better management of your cryptocurrencies, especially if you're dealing with multiple transactions. Now, let's gather the receive address for the account where you want to add the token. Go to this account and click on the Receive button. You'll see a list of cryptocurrencies to choose from, so pick the one you're interested in, such as Solana. Once selected, the wallet address will appear. Take a moment to copy this address carefully, as we'll need it for the next step, and getting this part right is crucial to ensure your tokens end up in the correct account. Next, it's time to switch to your other Phantom account, the one that contains the tokens you wish to send. Here, select the same cryptocurrency you chose earlier. In our example, we'll continue with Solana. Upon selecting it, you'll notice the Send button. Click that, as we're now preparing the actual transfer. With the Send option open, paste the copied address from your first account into the designated field. Double-check to ensure there are no errors in the address, as this helps prevent any misdirection of tokens. Once you're sure everything is correct, proceed to type in the amount of tokens you wish to transfer. You're almost done. Hit the Next button to continue. Before finalizing the transaction, take a moment to review the confirmation screen. Here, you'll see the transaction details such as the receive address, amount being sent, and a small network fee. This page is your last chance to ensure everything looks right. If all details are correct, go ahead and confirm your transaction. Now, within a few seconds, the tokens will be transferred, and you'll see them appear in your first Phantom account. It's as simple as that. The new token is now visible and ready for you to use within your Phantom wallet. I hope this guide has helped make the process clearer for you, ensuring your token transfers are both secure and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!